Ladies and gentlemen, at Great American Ballpark, the Reds have long honored the men and women of our military who are designated as prisoners of war missing in action by proudly flying the POW MIA flag in center field alongside our nation's colors. But tonight, we are coming together to expand upon that tribute in a new way, one that we feel will be a symbol of our respect and admiration for those who have fought and continue to fight for our freedom as a nation. Before we get started with tonight's unveiling, we ask that you please turn your attention to the warning track in center field as we welcome the Emerald Society Pipes and Drums Corps to perform for us the Military Set, which is a compilation of songs that salute our armed forces. Fans, one more time, please join us in a big round of applause for the Emerald Society Pipes and Drums Corps. Ladies and gentlemen, we now ask that you direct your attention to the video board or the area in front of the Cincinnati Bell Technology Pavilion as we welcome representatives of the Rolling Thunder Chapter 9 Ohio to Great American Ballpark for a very important ceremony. The Rolling Thunder is united in the cause of bringing full accountability for the prisoners of war missing in action of all wars by their watchwords, "We will not forget." While the Rolling Thunder's primary focus is on publicity of the POW MIA issue, the members do much more. Across the nation, Rolling Thunder supports the military through fundraising efforts, the sponsorship of overseas search missions, and personal visits to veterans suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder. And in 2012, the POW MIA Chair of Honor program was created to bring awareness to the ongoing prisoners of war missing in action situation. Since World War I, over 92,000 American soldiers are unaccounted for, a number that we as a nation must never lose sight of. When installed at public facilities across the country, The Chair of Honor serves as a daily reminder of the POW MIA issues that we face. Joining us tonight for this momentous occasion are Rolling Thunder Chapter 9 Ohio President James "Spy" Riley and Vice President Tom Thompson. They are joined at this time by Cincinnati Reds Chief Operating Officer Phil Castellini. In a moment, Mr. Riley, Mr. Thompson, and Phil are going to remove a cloth covering and unveil the newest seat in Great American Ballpark, the POW MIA Chair of Honor. This seat will remain permanently unoccupied from this night forth as a reminder that although our soldiers are not here with us in person, there is and always will be a space for them at Great American Ballpark. The Cincinnati Reds are grateful for the opportunity to support our nation's military and become the first team in the National League to dedicate a Chair of Honor. Gentlemen, when you are ready, please unveil the chair. On behalf of the Cincinnati Reds, we are proud to dedicate this POW MIA Chair of Honor. Fans, please, one more time, let's have a big round of applause for our friends joining us from Rolling Thunder and from all of our nation's veterans and active duty military. Fans, Reds sponsor GovX.com proudly welcomes those who have served our country to Great American Ballpark tonight. GovX.com is the nation's leading provider of discounted goods and services to our armed forces. They remind all active and retired military, as well as first responders, that you have access to specially priced Reds tickets, gear, and more online at govx.com/Reds as part of their Savings for Those Who Serve program.